I'm Hajar Jabran. I'm the creative director of the Jabran Center. While I was building the Jabran Center in Thailand, I developed an innovative way of building low-cost dome homes. Maybe you've seen pictures on our website or the articles or YouTube by my buddy Steve Areen, whose dome home we built at the Jabran Center. This is it right here, actually. With Steve's artistic genius and our two skilled Thai masons, Dao and Dome, we were able to build this unique dome home for less than $9,000. We've been swamped with requests from people all over the world, so I'm making this video to share some of our methods with you. After we develop a floor plan and elevation drawings on paper or on computer, then we drive a steel pipe in the ground. We set up a pole the length of the dome's radius that pivots around the center of the dome. We use it to lay out the foundation and later to accurately place the bricks, blocks, or whatever you choose to use. You could, like Mike Reynolds, reuse cans or turn old bottles into jewels. Then we build forms to support the arches, windows, and doorways. Once they are in place, we use the pole to lay the bricks. To stop the bricks from falling as they lean in, we use counterweights suspended over the outside of the dome. Our first domes were made with clay bricks and cinder blocks, which offer poor insulation or ecological value. In my search for better materials and easier methods, I explored the use of adobe, cob, compressed earth bag, hemp, and even recycled polystyrene. I was at a loss until I discovered a material I'd never even heard of before. Yet many environmental architects consider it to be the building material of the future. Air-Crete is a lightweight masonry product that is infused with tiny air bubbles, which expands its volume many times. It provides good thermal and acoustic insulation. It's fireproof, waterproof, and impervious to insects, including termites. Made of completely recyclable, non-toxic, non-corrosive materials, it will not rot, warp, or mold. Unlike concrete, which is hard, heavy, cold, and difficult to work with, Air-Crete is easy to work with. It dries overnight to a density similar to wood. It can be cut, carved, drilled, and shaped with woodworking tools. It accepts nails, screws, and is easily repaired. And because its primary ingredient is air, it's eco-friendly and inexpensive to produce. Air-Crete is simply a mixture of water, ordinary cement, which is made of powdered limestone, and a water-based lather that looks like shaving cream. You need a foaming agent and a foam generator to produce the thick lather, and a special mixer to fold the lather into the mixture. Commercial equipment is heavy and costly, thus Air-Crete has been mostly limited to industrial use. With the help of my genius son Joel, who's the CEO of his company Infinite Automations, we developed an inexpensive do-it-yourself foam generator that works famously with ordinary dish detergent as the foaming agent. Then we invented a compact, lightweight, continuous mixer powered by an electric drill. This little machine replaces the heavy equipment that costs tens of thousands of dollars. And where conventional equipment only produces one batch at a time, our little machine is amazing. It will produce over 10 gallons per minute all day long with ease. We also created a special tubing bender for making forms. Our forms are made of inexpensive and easily accessible materials that can be reused over and over again. You simply pour in the liquid Air-Crete and let it harden overnight. The material cost for an arch like the one pictured is about $75. The material for a bare Air-Crete dome home like Steve's is less than $2,000, and that includes the foundation and the subfloor. Arches transform the awkward curvature of a dome into flat, vertical surfaces that are more practical for windows, doors, closets, furniture, etc. They also make it easy to connect different sizes of domes in countless configurations. Flat rectangular blocks require a lot of extra labor and materials to smooth over, so we developed a way of casting larger Air-Crete blocks that already have the curved shape of the dome. This, of course, saves time and money.
Oh my God, it's so light!
And we plan to make it even more efficient. We're developing reusable forms to cast an entire dome. We'll cover a bent steel skeleton with thin wood slats woven like a giant hat, covered with a waterproof fabric. It will imprint a beautiful design on the interior of the dome ceiling. The days of building with old-growth timber are sadly over. 80% of our global forest ecosystems have already been destroyed, yet we have a growing need for housing. We've developed a truly revolutionary system. Fast, easy, and elegant Air-Crete structures answer the need for high-quality, low-cost housing everywhere. With our equipment and basic training, you too can have a solid, eco-friendly, insulated, waterproof, fireproof, insect-proof, non-toxic, beautiful, permanent home that makes your heart smile. This project is a collaboration between many of my friends, family, and all of us at the Gibran Center. If you like it, then click the like button, spread the word to your community, share it on Facebook, and please sign up for one of our perks.